This is the Ninja MAX XL air fryer. In this video, we'll be unboxing it together and then we'll be testing it by cooking chicken wings and fries at the same time in it. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. If you're new to my channel and you like its contents, please take a moment to subscribe. It will help my channel greatly and also it will help me keep bringing you unbiased videos like this one. So let's open the box. So this is the air fryer. It's a big machine. It has this nice like mirror on the top. So you need to unpack it completely. Remove the adhesives on both sides. And let's open the drawer. And this is the content of the drawer. So this is everything you get in the box. You have the air fryer, its tray, and the rack, and of course the tray and the rack can go into the air fryer. I just removed them here so for you to see them. And this rack here is very good in case you want to cook two things at the same time. So you put things on the top and then you put things on the bottom like this, and then you can cook them at the same time. So this is the bottom of the air fryer so that the oils that go down don't touch the food and you can clean them, and it is dishwasher safe also, this air fryer. And this is some user manuals here and some notices. So let's go now clean it first and I'll start cooking the fries and the chicken wings. So I installed the air fryer in my kitchen as you see, and I'll be cooking in it now fries and chicken wings. And I'm gonna be using the rack so that to save on time and also to save on energy. So I'm gonna be putting the chicken wings on the top of the rack here, and then I'm gonna put the fries inside. Now the chicken wings, according to the label that is posted on the side of the air fryer, it says that they need a temperature of 390 degrees Fahrenheit and they need to cook from 22 minutes to 26 minutes. And the fries need from 20 minutes to 25 minutes, but they need the temperature of 350. So I'm gonna set the temperature to 390 because the chicken really should be cooked very well. And then we're gonna cook both of them and we see the results. So let's open the bags and put it and start the cooking. Before starting the cooking, I'm gonna preheat the air fryer to 390 degrees. So I'm gonna turn it on and then select air fry, and then the temperature is already at 390 and this is the temperature that I want. I'm gonna put here 2 minutes so that to preheat it. And then I'm gonna press the play button. I'm gonna bring my microphone close to the air fryer so that you hear the noise that it makes. It's not very loud. So now the air fryer preheated. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the pause button here and then I'm gonna remove the tray. Careful, the tray is now hot, so do not touch it with your bare hands. I'm gonna put it here on a surface that supports the heat, and then I'm gonna put the fries first. So let's put the fries. So this is enough fries for me for now. And I'm gonna put the rack now. And I'm gonna put the chicken wings. Be very careful not to touch the hot surfaces of the air fryer. And these are enough chicken wings for me. So let's put the tray in the air fryer and cook everything. So I'm gonna set the air fryer once again. Let's put it air fry here, 390 degrees. And then let's put 20 minutes. We're gonna start with this. And then halfway, I'm gonna pause the air fryer and then shake the food and then put it back in. So let's start it. While the air fryer is cooking the fries and the chicken wings, I wanted to let you know that it generates a little bit of heat from the back. So these are the vents. So it's better to put it a little bit far, like from anything that doesn't support heat, and in a place also where it can breathe. Also, I wanted to tell you that it needs 1750 watts plug, so make sure to plug it in a powerful plug. So now at 10 minutes, I'm gonna pause the air fryer. And then I'm gonna turn the food and shake the tray a little bit. It is a little bit hot on the sides, but it doesn't burn. Make sure that you don't touch anything inside, otherwise you can burn yourself. Look, they are already almost crispy. I'm gonna first shake it a little bit so that the fries shake on the bottom. And then let's turn the chicken wings and let's continue to fry them now. So when the air fryer finishes, the fan will turn off automatically in a minute. So let me open it now that the fan turned off. And you see that the chicken wings are really very well cooked. And this is how I like them. And the fries too. So here I'm very happy because I cooked both of them in the same tray. And I didn't use it twice. So let me put them in the plate. I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes and then I'm gonna taste them. It's been a couple of minutes, so let's taste the fries first. They really are very crispy and they taste very good. And the chicken wings, they are really well cooked. Look on the inside of the chicken wings. So they are really cooked from the inside and they are really very tasty. If you want to check out the Ninja MAX XL air fryer, I'm gonna leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage, but this is at no cost to you and this will support my channel. I hope that you liked my video and you found it useful. In case you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.